When I plug in my Sony 4K, I get no power. So let's open it up and find out why. We've already removed the back cover off of the TV set and have already done our voltage checks to roll out the power supply, our LED driver, and our DPS board. So we know those are good. And if you're not sure how to check it, you can always check out our video up here with more details. And our next step is going to be voltage checks on our main board. So let's go ahead and do that. Using my multimeter in DC volts, I'm going to ground to the chassis ground my negative lead and do a couple voltage checks. So checking the white wire, which is the bottom one, I should have 3.5 volts, which is our standby. And then on the fourth from the top, we should be getting 12 volts, which we are. So that's just a confirmation that we are getting proper power going to the main board. Our next step is to check our processor to see if it is shorted and the cause of our dead no power symptom. I've just removed the heatsink off of the main board, and now I'm going to be doing some short checks on some of the capacitors right below. I'm in beep mode, so when I detect a short, we get that beep sound. Now, looking closer, we're going to be checking these two over here, and we get no beep, as well as these two larger ones with, again, no beep. And finally, this little one over here to the right. And again, no beep. Because we didn't find any shorts, we know that our processor chip is not the issue. This only leaves the eMMC chip as the only possible fault of our dead no power, since we again had proper voltages coming in from the DPS board. Let's go ahead and replace our eMMC chip and see what we get. We've reached our melting temperature and are ready to remove the chip. Cleaning off the old solder. We just reached our temperature and the chip has just attached itself to the board. We're now going to let the board cool off, and once it is cool, bring it back to the TV to live test. We just got the main board back into the TV, so let's plug it in and see what happens. And it does take a second for the TV to turn on, so let's be patient. And I'll go ahead and press the power button with the remote. And we do have our white standby light, which we did not have before. And we have picture on screen. So it looks like the eMMC replacement did fix the TV, and we have a proper repair. If you found the video useful or helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.